You heard the question, right?
Yes.
You heard the trivia question. And for your sake, since we're talking now, I will repeat that. Okay? So get ready to answer. Now, what was the first business establishment to operate here inside the Subic Bay Freeport, which started its operations November 25th, 1992? Do you know the answer?
Try ko lang po. FedEx Express.
No. Oh my gosh. FedEx came years after eh. Oh my gosh. You got it wrong. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
All right.
You.
I'm not gonna say the answer kasi may chance pang tumawag yung iba. All right? Okay. But anyways, thanks for trying, Mabel. Pwede ka pa mag-try. We have until 5 p.m. One winner every hour, right?
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you for calling. All right. Wow. Oh my gosh. Bummer. Sayang. Hindi niya alam yung sagot. Okay. Here we go. Another caller. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's check it out. Hello, caller.
Hello po.
Hi. Good morning. What's your name?
Aliana po.
Aliana.
Opo.
Can I get your full name?
Later na lang po.
Again, one of those later na lang. What is up with you? Maybe we should have a radio rule. Since we're giving away cash, you guys need to give your real name. Di ba? Okay, Aliana. Later na rin. Si Aliana later. But this is your first time to join the trivia contest, right?
Okay.
Hindi pwedeng manalo ulit yung nanalo na. We will ask for IDs anyway. Okay. Aliana. Taga saan si Aliana?
Sa filtration po.
Filtration. Anong pinifilter nyo dyan? Kamusta ang filtration?
Okay naman po.
Nagpipilter pa rin? Uy, biro lang ah. Baka magalit yung mga taga-filtration. Kamusta ang weather dyan sa filtration?
Mainit po.
Mainit. Umaga rin ba dyan? Okay, Aliana.
Po.
Ulitin ko yung question, ha?
Opo.
And get ready to answer, right? Now, what was the first business establishment? Ano yung pangalan ng business na unang-unang nag-operate? Here inside the Subic Bay Freeport, nag-open sila November 25th, nag-operate sila November 25th, 1992. Give me the answer.
Try lang po
Uh-huh.
Yung ba yung Subic Naval Base?
Ha?
Yung Subic Naval Base po yun?
This is the Subic Naval Base back then when the U.S. military was still here. Business. Local business. I mean, private business.
Ay, nalimutan ko.
Unang company or unang business na nag-open here inside the Subic Bay Freeport.
Oh, company. Sorry, nalimutan ko.
Yeah, nakalimutan mo. That is the wrong answer. But anyways, hey, Aliana, thank you for trying. And it's fun talking to you, ha? Saya. May mga gusto kayo greet, yung mga papa mo and mga papa, eh, no?
Hello na lang sa mga listeners.
Sa mga listeners. Yun lang, walang names.
Wala na, mo sila.
Sige.
Thank you
Uy,
po.
Aliana,
Po.
mag-vitamin ka, ha?
Ay.
Ang sigla-sigla mo, eh. Okay, thank you for calling, Aliana. Oh boy, bummer. Second wrong answer. How about this one? Let's check it out. Okay, here we go. Hello, caller.
Hello po.
Hello, hi, what's your name?
Nick.
Huh?
Nick po.
Nick. Hi, Nick.
Hello po.
Nick Minaj. Can you give me your full name?
Ay, mamaya na.
Off the air then?
Opo.
Celebrity ka rin, ha? Ang dami nang tumatawag na celebrity kasi lahat sila off the air na lang po. O kaya may tinatago ang utang. Okay, Nick, where are you calling from?
Sa Pag-asa po.
Taga Pag-asa. Kamusta ang Pag-asa?
Okay naman po.
How is the weather there? Is it also sunny?
Sige. Opo.
You know why I keep asking weather? Kasi nakakulong ako dito sa loob, wala man lang maliit na window, hindi ko malaman kung umuulan ba, umaaraw, or... Yeah. Okay, so for your sake, I will repeat the question. Oh, the reason why you called is you're gonna join the radio trivia contest, right?
Yes.
Hindi ko pa tinanong eh, no? Nick from Pag-asa. Okay. All right, here's the question. Do you know the name of the business or the company, yung unang-unang nagbukas na business dito sa Subic Bay Freeport? They opened November 25th, 1992. Do you know the answer?
Tatry ko lang.
Tatry mo rin. Sige, try. Go.
Ano po? Postal.
Ha?
Postal po.
Postal or coastal?
Coastal.
Coastal Subic? No. Sorry. Bakit di nyo alam? Wrong answer. Sorry, Nick. But hey, you will get the chance to greet your friends or anybody you wanna greet now.
Hello na po sila ng taga-Pag-asa.
Taga-Pag-asa. Bakit ang hina? Ba't bumubulong ka ba? Or bumubulong ka ba? Nakikiliti yung tenga ko eh. Kilitiin din kita. Gusto mo? De, biro lang.
Salamat.
Okay, would that be all?
Apo.
Okay, thank you for calling. All right. So there you have it, people. Si Nick. My gosh. Third already. Tatlo na maling answer. Okay, pang-apat. Here we go. The fourth one. Let's check it out. Hello, caller. Ay, ang saya-saya. Nagtatawanan. Caller.
Po,
Ay, anong pangalan mo?
Jenna.
Jenna. Jenna.
Apo.
Ikaw ba yung kapatid ni Susie? Susie and Jenna. Susta Jen. Ba't ang saya-saya nagtatawanan? Ano meron dyan?
Wala po.
Wala po, nagtatawanan kayo eh. Alam mo yung nagtatawanan tapos wala lang, tumatawa lang? Yun yung hinahanting ng mga yung staff ng mental. Ba't kayo nagtatawanan? Share mo naman.
Eh, kasi ngayon lang po kami nakatawag dito.
Ang saya-saya, ngayon lang nakatawag. Alam mo bang matagal na kaming may telepono? Eh, ba't ngayon lang kayo tumawag?
Ngayon lang po namin nalaman.
Uy, biro lang. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name?
Jenna.
Jenna. O, tinanong ko na nga pala, no? Paulit-ulit ako, ha? Vice ganda lang, no? Paulit-ulit, ha? Taga saan si Jenna?
Is bahak-bahak.
Is bahak-bahak. Uy, Jenna.
Po.
Hulaan ko apelido mo. O magkamali man ako, ito yung bagay na apelido mo. Rator. Jenna Rator. Taga Is bahak-bahak, ha?
Opo.
Kamusta Is bahak-bahak?
Okay naman po.
Mhm.
Mapayapa.
Mapayapa. Walang walang away, walang gulo.
Wala naman po.
Hindi nyo gaano kailangan ng pulis dyan, tsaka barangay tanod. Matipid yan. For the city government. Okay, so you called to join the radio trivia?
Opo.
Oh, sige. You wanna give me your full name first, Jenna?
Jeneline Gonzalez.
Jeneline Gonzalez. That's more like it. Sige. Mabuti ka pa, binibigay mo ang tunay mong pangalan. Okay. Yung iba, ayaw ibigay eh. Parang nagtatago eh, no? Ikaw hindi ka naman wanted or wala kang kaso o sabpina nakabimbid, ano? Jeneline Gonzalez, are you ready to answer?
Yes!
I will repeat the question for your sake since kakatawag mo lang, di ba?
Opo.
Okay, eto yung question. Trivia contest. Do you want it in English or in Tagalog or in French, Italian, Spanish?
Kahit ano po.
Kahit ano? Oh, sige. Here's the question. Can you give me the name of the first company that opened here inside the Subic Bay Freeport noong November 25th, 1992? Yung unang-unang business establishment na nag-open November 25, 1992. Go!
Try lang po
Ay, hindi. Wrong answer. Sorry. Try lang po, Company Incorporated. Wala nun. Try lang. Oh, sige. Go.
Times Square Cinema.
No! Oh my gosh!
Pati na lang po ako.
Uy, hindi kami nang babati. Bawal. Nanggigreet lang kami. Hindi kami nang babati. Alam mo kung bakit?
Opo. Pinabati ko nga pala sila Ate MC. Lapel, tsaka si Ate Mel. Tsaka sa Olongapo 2 and 3.
Olongapo 2 and 3.
Opo.
Kailan pa
Branch
naging
po
dalawa?
namin.
Kailan pa naging dalawa, tatlo ang Olongapo? Alam ko isa lang.
Pawn Shop po, branch.
Okay. Yung pala yun. Uy, in fairness, ang saya-saya dyan, ha? Hanggang ano oras yung party nyo?
Hanggang mamaya po, 5.
Sige, makiparty kami mamaya, ha?
Sige po.
Dadaling ko yung mga DJs ng 89.5.
Sige po.
Okay, anyways, thank you for trying. Uy, Jeneline, meron kaming traditional question. Since ang saya-saya dyan, may traditional question kami sa lahat ng caller.
Ano po?
Sino celebrity lookalike ni Jeneline?
Si
Para may idea naman yung mga nakikinig, di ba?
Jeneline Mercado daw po.
Jeneline Mercado. Hindi, sigurado ka, hindi ba si Orly Mercado? Sige. Thank you for calling, Janeline.
Ha?
Thank you for calling. May gusto ka pa idagdag? Baka may album kang i-release o concert o ano?
Wala naman po.
Imbitahan mo yung mga fans mo. Wala na?
Wala na.
Sige. Before you say goodbye, what's your favorite radio station?
89.5.
Okay, thank you. All right. Wow, there you have it. Pang ilang wrong answer na, pang apat na yata. Pang lima. Let's check out this one. I hope this time tama na yung sagot. Okay, here we go. Let's check it out. Hello, caller.
Hello, good morning.
Hi, good morning. Are you going to join the radio trivia contest? That's why you called?
Yes, sure.
Okay, you need to give me your name first.
Okay, it's Mariam Labasi.
Mariam?
Labasi.
Okay. Mariam Labasi.
Aha, name ko lang yun ah.
Name mo lang yon.
Oo, screen name.
Screen name. Meron kang ID na yun ang sinasabing pangalan kasi I will put that on the list.
No, kasi binaligtad ko lang yung name ko.
Okay. Sige. Sige, if you say so. May solusyon dyan. Since binaligtad mo yung name mo, pag nag-present ka ng ID, baliktarin mo rin. Tapos may requirement kami sa ID. Kailangan wacky shot yung picture. Tapos may picture pa sa likod, yung picture ng likod mo. Marian ba Mariam?
Mariam.
With an M?
Yeah.
Okay, Mariam. Okay. Narinig mo na yung tanong?
Mm-hmm.
Pero uulitin ko pa rin. Doesn't matter kung narinig mo. Here's the question. What is the name of the business establishment na unang nag-operate here inside the Subic Bay Freeport, November 25th, back in 1992? Anong pangalan ng business establishment?
Is it PX Goods?
PX Club! PX Club is wrong. Oh my
Trader.
gosh. I used to work there sa PX Club. And ginigreet ko na rin tuloy yung taga PX Club. Sabay ganun. Oh my gosh. Sorry Mariam, it's not the right answer.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Pero anyways, would you like to greet your friends now?
Okay, I would like to greet the Guzman family, Raimundo family, Tulio family, sino pa? Liano family. That's all.
All the family.
Yeah.
Si family Rabing Alcohol. Damay mo na rin. Uy, taga saan ka nga pala?
Tabakuhan.
Tabakuhan. Kamusta ang mga taga-Tabakuhan?
Okay lang po. Masaya. Ayos
Uy,
lang.
may nagchismis sa akin
Na?
na kaya daw tinawag na Tabakuhan. Diyan daw mina-manufacture yung mga tabako. Totoo ba yun? Hindi. Joke lang yun.
Hindi ko alam.
Joke lang pala yun. Sige. Okay, thank you for calling, Mariam. Before you say goodbye, what's your favorite radio station?
89.5.
Inalimutan. 89.5, Subic Bay Radio. Okay, thank you for calling.
Bye.
Oh boy. That's already the fifth wrong answer or sixth wrong answer. Okay, we have another one. All right, let's check it out. Whoa. Hello, caller.
Hello po.
Hi, what's your name?
Kaya po yung kanina si Ayana po.
Ha?
Si Ayana po.
Si Aliana. You already called.
Ano po?
Sorry.
Naalala ko.
Sa other trivia contest, different hour pwede. Ayan. To give way dun sa iba naman.
Sige po.
Meron pa ulit hanggang 5 p.m. to. Okay, don't worry. All right?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. All right. Ayan, to be fair, of course, once per hour, pero you can't repeat once you got it wrong na, di ba? Okay, let's check it out. Another one. Hello, caller.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, are you going to join the trivia contest?
Opo, tataray ko po.
Okay, what's your name?
Abby,
Abby. Can you give me your full name?
later na lang.
Abby.
Opo.
Abby. Okay.
Tataray ko lang.
Sige, tatry mo lang. You know the question already, right?
Yes.
The very first business establishment na nag-open sa Subic Bay Freeport. All right, give me the answer now.
US Naval Base.
No. Somebody answered that kanina. Nakikinig ka ba kanina?
Yes.
May sumagot na niyan. Mali nga eh. Subic Naval Base. This is the Subic Naval Base back then when the Navy was still here. Ayan. Nung time na nandito pa, yan, for those who don't know, this is the US Naval Base when the Americans were still here. Ito yung kanilang naval base. The US Navy holds this area. Ayan. And nung nandito pa yung Navy, ako yung nagpapakain sa kanila. The entire Navy. Hindi, biro lang. Oh my gosh. Actually, ang dali-dali. Kasi kung nagpupunta ka sa Subic Bay Freeport has been around 20 years. Yun yung lagi mong makikita na nandito dahil nauna nga eh. Ayun, ang dali-dali lang.
Alam ko na siya.
Oo, malapit lang sa main gate.
Coastal Petroleum.
Mhm. No, not coastal. May sumagot na rin ng coastal, mali din. Sabi ko malapit lang sa main gate, ang layo kaya ng coastal sa main gate. Sige, thank you for trying, Abby. You wanna greet your friends?
Hindi na lang.
Hindi na lang, nagbago isip. Tampo ka naman. Huwag kang magtampo, ikaw yung nagkamali eh. Ako nga dapat magtampo sa inyo, hindi nyo alam yung sagot. Hu. Sige, thank you for calling, Abby. Alright. Oh boy, wala pa rin! Come on, people! Come on! Madali lang yung answer. The very first business establishment na nag-open sa Subic Bay Freeport. Back then, the administrator and chairman was the then Senator Dick Gordon. Richard Dick Gordon. Alright? So, yun yung unang business na nag-open dito sa Subic Bay Freeport. If you know the answer, give me the answer. 2528905. We have somebody calling. Let's check it out. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Hi, what's your name?
Rosie.
Rosie. Can you give me your full name?
Benedicto.
Rosie Benedicto. That's your full name, huh?
Rosalinda Benedicto.
Rosalinda Benedicto. Wow. Okay, Rosalinda. One of the Mexican telenovelas yan, di ba?
Yes.
Si Rosalinda.
May amor.
Taga saan si Rosalinda, mi amor?
Yung kalalaki.
New Kalalaki. Meron bang old Kalalaki?
I don't know.
Why is it called New Kalalaki?
Isa-search ko pa tanong.
Oo. Pasensya na kayo, nagtatanong ako dahil nandito kami sa Subic Bay Freeport eh. Kaya we don't know the full history, you know. Okay, Rosalinda. What's your last name again?
Benedict.
Benedicto. You heard the question, right?
Yes.
Alam mo yung tanong. Now, alam mo ba yung sagot?
Try po.
Ulitin natin yung tanong, ha?
Okay.
Ano yung unang business establishment na nag-open dito sa Subic Bay Freeport November 25th, 1992 when it opened? Ano yung pangalan? Give me, go!
International Hotel.
Can you repeat that?
International Hotel.
Can you be more specific?
International Hotel.
There's a lot of international hotels. Ang dami. International hotel what?
Ano?
Ha? Ano yun? Ate, woy. Sumagot ka. Pak. Sinampal eh, no? Umalis ka sa katawan niya. Lisanin mo siya.
Subic International Hotel.
Finally! Pakiulit.
Subic International Hotel.
Finally! Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, pakiulit.
Subic International Hotel.
Yay! Yay! Ano nga yung sagot mo? Subic International Hotel! Yeah! Finally! Rosalinda! Benedicto! Wow! Congratulations! Taga New where? New Kalalaki. Okay. All right. So, you got an ID, right?
Yes, sir.
2 IDs, right?
Yes.
Okay. You just won 600 pesos. Hey. Matuwa ka naman, hoy. Ang lungkot-lungkot mo eh. Para kang hindi nanalo. Bawiin ko yan.
Ay, hindi wala nang bawian.
De, biro lang. You can claim your prize on Monday. Kung di ka naman makapunta ng Monday, pwedeng, anong susunod?
Tuesday.
Hindi kaya. Wednesday kaya pwede. Hindi, pwede Tuesday. Monday to Friday, 8 in the morning till 4. You know how to get to the station? Alam mo kung saan yung stasyon?
Sure. Yes.
Alam niyo kung paano pumunta sa stasyon?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, that's good. Okay. 89.5 Subic Bay radio station yung pupuntahan mo, ha?
Apo.
Baka ibang stasyon yung puntahan mo.
Malapit sa Venus Hotel.
Wow, tuwan-tuwa naman ako kay Rosalinda Benedicto. Kasi alam mo, pang-6 kaya o pang-7? Bago nasagot ng tama. Subic International Hotel. Ayan. Galing naman. Okay, so may mga gusto ka bang i-greet before we end this?
Okay, kinigreet ko po yung nasa si Emeng, si Mel, si Jenna, si Fel, si... Ano pangalan nito?
Malay ko, ba't ako tinatanong mo?
si Kin, saka yung guard namin, si Kuya Angelito.
Ang batang ama? Kuya Angelito.
Si Kuya Angelito Agonis.
Papa, wala kang mabatiin, Papa?
Nasa Bulacan ang aking papa.
Si Papa nasa Bulacan?
Yes.
Alam mo bang kahit nasaan ka man sa mundo, pwede kaming mapanood, mapakinggan via internet?
Pag nasa Bulacan ako, sinesearch ko yung 89.5, hindi ko maano.
Baka nagkakamali ka.
Panatikman ako ng ano.
Google mo lang o kaya sa Facebook na lang 89.5. Nandoon din yung link. Ayan. O kung nakikinig si Papa, anong gusto mong sabihin?
I love you.
Ha? Ang bilis naman, ganun kagad? Ano?
Siyempre.
Ano sasabihin mo?
I love you.
Hindi nga. Tagal na kayo ni Papa?
Asawa ko yun.
Tagal na kayo ni asawa?
6 years.
Ilang years na? 6 years?
6.
Tagal na, no? Tama na. Hindi, biro lang. Okay. Congratulations sa'yo, Rosalinda, ha?
Thank you.
Alright. Thank you for calling. Bye-bye. Wow. Finally, a winner for the 10 o'clock radio trivia contest. Actually, inabot tayo ng 11 o'clock because we keep getting wrong answers. All right, congratulations once again to Rosalinda. What's her last name? Benedicto. Oh, yan. Okay. Sandali lamang po at ililista natin. Rosalinda Benedicto. Okay. So we have another caller. Ano kaya to? Check natin. Hello, caller. Good morning. Hello? Hello? Wala lang. Okay, naging tutut. Okay, so there you have it, people. We need to pause for a short break. We will be right back. We have another trivia contest coming up during this the 11 o'clock hour, of course, of this radio program. Special Saturday programming, special 20th anniversary programming, 89.5 Subic Bay Radio. We will be right back. Stick around.
This is PBS, the Philippine Broadcasting Service, DWSB-FM, SBMA-FM radio station, 89.5.